on the water and stepped under before it had time to warm up, gasping as the icy needles hit her head and shoulders. She reached for the nail brush and began to scrub her arms and upper chest methodically. Her skin reddened in angry protest at the onslaught, but the pain brought a form of absolution. Her heart began to slow. Her chest loosened its tight grip on her lungs, and she was able to breathe more easily. The water was warmer now. Rona took the soap and smothered her body in lather, breathing in the strong scent, replacing that other smell. She knew that the scrubbing and washing would become an obsession, but it was the only thing that worked. The final stage of the ritual was a mouthwash. Rona pulled the capsule and took it into her mouth, holding it there until her tongue burned. Only then did she creep back into bed and huddle beneath the duvet. Her mobile woke her at 7. It was McNabb. Okay to pick you up. Rona had fallen asleep at around 4, which felt like 5 minutes ago. What? She struggled to get her brain working. The deposition site, the skull? It's not even light yet. The snow's melted, but there's more forecast. I'd rather get going while the ground's clear. Okay, give me an